Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best jack stands that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the XtremepowerUS heavy-duty jack stand set of 2. The jack stand that we are highlighting now comes in a set of 2. Each stand can support the bulk weight. Also, steel construction makes it durable. At the same time, it is lightweight to carry and compact as well. With the help of self-locking bars, it is easy for you to use it. Moreover, the height can range from 19 inches to 29.75 inches. That is why, it is easy for you to adjust the height. It comes with a U-shaped contact area, which means that the stability which it provides is excellent. With all the features present, you need not look any further. Moving on at number 4, we have the Mophorn 0.5 to 12-inch roller pipe stand. The stand that we are highlighting now can provide a height range of 28 to 52 inches. The weight carrying capacity is 6,800 pounds. With a folding design, it is easy for you to carry it around. At the same time, the 3-legged bottom ensures that the stability which it can provide is on the higher side. Also, with high stability comes high security. Additionally, you can use it for various applications. The high load rating and versatility are some of the reasons why you should go for it. At number 3, we have the BNB Pipe 3900 high-profile adjustable pipe jack stand. The stand that we are speaking about now has a capacity of 2,500 pounds. You can adjust the height between 32 inches to 48 inches. Also, it has a small footprint of 25 inches. Once you fold it, it is just 7 inches. That is why, the amount of space that it needs on your work floor is on the lower side. With the help of a V-shaped head of 10 inches and oversized legs, you can be sure that the stability which it provides is on the higher side. At the same time, it consists of a 1.5-inch Acme rod that certainly increases the durability. The heavy-duty construction, as well as the stability that it provides, makes this stand a perfect choice. At number 2, we have the Sunx 1410 10-ton jack stands. The stand that we are speaking about now comes in a set of 2. The maximum height which it has on offer is 46.5 inches. The minimum height is 28.1 inches. The weight carrying capacity is 10 tons. With the help of a 4-leg steel base, it is highly durable. The strength and stability are on the higher side. Moreover, it consists of a large saddle as well, which means that the support and stability are on the higher side. The stability which it provides makes it safe, secure, and also makes it stand out from others. And finally at number 1, we have the Esko 10498 jack stand. The capacity of this stand is 3 tons. You can buy a single unit, or you can buy it in a set of 2, 3, or 4. The choice is entirely yours. You can adjust the height from 30 inches to 21 inches. With a rubber pad at the top, you can be sure that when mounting it underneath vehicles, you need not worry about scratches. At the bottom, it consists of a circular base. The circular base ensures that stability is on the higher side. The circular base pads are heavy-duty as well, which is why you should go for it. The powder-coated base means that you need not worry about corrosion. With so many different features on offer, you cannot go wrong with this jack stand. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.